is Andrew Ma. Today I will be showing you why this little thing right here, called a tripod, will improve your photos immensely. Alright, let's get started. It turns out having a tripod may be more useful than you actually think, because you can get shots that you've never imagined before. One key thing that I like about having a tripod is freeing myself from holding the camera. Furthermore, I can focus on the lighting and the subject, knowing that the camera is in a fixed position. The problem with increasing your ISO is the decrease in your camera's dynamic range. I found a source by Adorama.com saying, the dynamic range of a subject is a measure of light intensities from the shadows to the highlights. In low light conditions, the dynamic range, that is the difference between the darkest and the brightest part of the subject, is quite small. If you are able to have a tripod with you for an example like traveling, home uses, outdoors, indoors, and many more uses. It is totally recommended. In some cases, especially if you're into macro photography, macro or close-up shots tend to be really hard because of stability, low angles, awkward positions, or a case of little light available. For these type of shots, a tripod will allow you to be hands-free, giving you a chance to correct the framing and to make adjustments. Handheld shots tend to be more shakier and creates a problem with clarity. In addition, you will get distracted by your camera's settings rather than picking the subject that is being focused on. Normally when you're capturing images handheld, you would take tons of pictures, but with a tripod, it will definitely slow you down. The reason is because it occupies a lot of space. Depending on the tripod, it can be pretty bulky. It helps you become more decisive and less in a rush to take pictures. Now those are the reasons why you should use a tripod. Now go subscribe to my channel and smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!